think you're getting voice, low voice, right? Is it okay now? Yeah. Okay. Can you hear my voice clearly, Nana? Are you getting any stop? No, right? Everything is clear, right? Yes, good. See, Nana. So, properties of integers as well whole numbers as well natural numbers. All these number sets we shall have to check for them closure property and commutative property. Number 3, associative property. Number 4, identity property we have to check, and Sun is it properly, inverse property and distributive property. Okay, see Nana here. If you observe here, in the last class we have seen about just closure property for whole numbers and natural numbers, right? That the same thing happens in the integer also. What is that? If you take any two integers, if you add addition and subtraction and multiplication any two integers, if you add them or subtract them and multiply them, you will get again an integer. Okay, then what we can say? Integers satisfies the closure property satisfies the closure property under operation plus minus and into. Okay, but it won't satisfy in division, Nana. Why? Yeah, before going to that, let me check for this. Suppose take any a number a is equals to 3, a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3. What is a plus b? 2 plus of minus 3, which is nothing but 2 minus, which gives us minus 1, and a minus b, 2 minus of minus 3, which is 2 plus 3 you will get, that is 5, and a into b, so 2 into minus 3, which is nothing but minus 6. So all these are integers, right? All these are integers. Okay, right. So but coming to division, 2 is divided by minus 3, 2 by minus 3, minus 2 by 3, which is not an integer. Okay, isn't it? Is it clear, Nana? Yes, right. Yeah, this is for closure property in integers. Then what about closure property in rational numbers? Closure property in rational numbers. Yes, no. Suppose if you take A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B is also a rational number. For all A comma B belongs to Q. Belongs to is nothing but దానికి సంబంధించింది. A and B రెండు కూడా రేషనల్ నంబర్ కి సంబంధించినవి. And A for all means it has to satisfy for every rational number. అన్ని రేషనల్ నంబర్స్ కి ఈ కండిషన్ మనకు సాటిస్ఫై అవుతే then we can say a rational number satisfies the closure property under operation addition. Okay, just wait, how many are here? 27 only. Okay, is there any disturbance in my voice? No, right? Yeah. Next, see, let's see the example. Suppose take A is equals to 2 by 3, B is equals to 3 by 4. So A plus B, what is that? 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4, which is equals to 2 into 4 plus 3 into 3 by 3 into 4, which is equals to 8 plus 9 by 12. 17 by 12 is the answer. This 17 by 12 is a rational number, right? Isn't it? You have taken a rational number A and a rational number B. The addition of them also rational number, right? Same thing. Check in that. Okay. Now addition is proved, right? Addition is proved. Suppose if it is in subtraction, what we do? A minus B will take. In multiplication, A into B will take, right? Okay. In division, A divided by B we take. Shiva, shall I remove you from the meeting? Start your video first. Start your video. Shall I remove you from the meeting? Then why you are chit-chatting with somebody? Unmute. To whom you are chit-chatting? With whom you are chit-chatting? Huh? Where's your notes? Are you writing the notes? Yeah, wait. I will write down the remark on you. Right. So in subtraction, division, multiplication and division, we shall check next. Okay. So in addition, otherwise we can write one more. Rational numbers satisfies the closure property. Start your videos, all of you. Start your videos. Lasya Reddy, Mahavisnas. Rational number satisfies the closure property under addition. Okay. So for any two rational numbers, if you add them, you will get the same result. What is the same result? Not 17 by 12. Same result, nothing but you will get definitely a rational number. Okay. Yeah. Coming to this multiplication, take 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Multiply them. 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. What you get? 2 into 3 by 3 into 4, which is nothing but 6 by 12. 6 ones are 6 2s are 1 by 2. Okay, this 1 by 2 is also a rational number. Okay, right? And subtract them, a minus b. I mean, this is a, this is b, right? 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. What you get? 2 into 4 minus 3 into 3 by 3 into 4, right? So 8 minus 9 by 12. So minus 1 by 12. Sorry, minus 1, right? Minus 1 by 12, okay? Isn't it? So minus 1 by 12 is the rational number. Isn't it? Did you get that, Nana? Yes. Next, A divided by B. So, see, Nana, in addition, in multiplication, in subtraction, in addition, multiplication, in subtraction, a rational number satisfies the closure property, Nana. Why? You can check by taking some examples. If you take any rational number, you must get again a rational number if you perform this plus, minus and into operations. But coming to this division, I'll give you an example. What we have, a is equals to 2 by 3, b is equals to 3 by 4, right? Take a divided by b, what it becomes? 2 by 3 by 3 by 4, which we can write 2 by 3 into 4 by 3, right? Nothing but 8 by 9 is the answer. Okay, in this case, we have taken two rational numbers and we got a rational number after the division, right? But coming to 2 by 3 and b is equals to 0 or whatever, a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 0. So what it becomes? It becomes 2 by 0, right? 8 divided by b is nothing but 2 by 0. This 2 by 0 is not a rational number. Not a rational number. Why it is not a rational number? Yes, no. Because the rational number definition, they are p by q in form and q not equals to 0 and p comma q are integers, right? So here, what is the p value? P is equals to, what is the q value? 0. It fails to satisfy the condition of rational number property, right? So that 2 by 0 is not a rational number. Okay, just because of this 0, a rational numbers are does not satisfy the closure property. Okay, if it is happen for every rational number including 0, then only we can say it satisfies the required property, right? If one number is failed to satisfy, we can simply accept that. Okay, it means we can simply say it does not satisfy, right? So therefore, rational numbers satisfies closure property under operation plus, minus, into, but not in division. Okay, clear? Any doubts? Isna, any doubts? Can you hear me? Rahul, Akash, Lasya Reddy and Sriram, I don't know why didn't you stop your video. Ahalya, Muskan, did you write the notes, Muskan? Yes? Right. Vijay, unmute.
సార్ ఇది ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఒకసారి చూపియరా?
I will show you. Wait. This is the first page. Take that. Yeshnana. Kirtana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it clear, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Take this next. Yeah. Next page. Take the next page. Next. Fourth page. Sorry, fourth page it is. Fifth page. And sixth page. Seventh page. Eighth page. Okay. Next, commutative property. Commutative property. Suppose if you see for natural numbers and whole numbers and integers and rational numbers, sorry, and rational numbers, and we have to discuss plus, minus, into, and division, right? Okay. And what is the property is if a comma b are two rational numbers, then write in bracket n comma w comma z also, then a star b is equals to b star a star b is equals to b star a for all a comma b belongs to q, write in bracket n w z. What it means, natural numbers ki rational numbers satisfy అవుతుంది అవుతే అని అంటే natural numbers వెరిఫై చేయాలి, మనం హోల్ నంబర్స్ కి ఇంటెజర్స్ వెరిఫై చేయాలి. అంటే సార్ రేషనల్ నంబర్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితే అవన్నీ అవుతుందా అంటే కాదు. అలాగా నేను ఇచ్చిన డెఫినేషన్ ఏంటి, అదర్వైజ్ ఓకే యూ మే బి కన్ఫ్యూజ్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ప్లీజ్ రిమూవ్ దిస్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. You may misguided the concept. See, for all a comma b belongs to q, then rational numbers satisfies the commutative property. Under star. Okay, right? See now, suppose if I take star here, we have to replace plus, minus, into, and division, right? Suppose if you take a is equals to 2/3 only, same, b is equals to 4 you take, then a plus b. What is a plus b, Nano? Suppose if I replace with star plus what becomes? It becomes a plus b is equals to b plus a. If I replace with minus, it becomes a minus b is equals to b minus a. If I replace with multiplication, what becomes? A into b is equals to b into a. And division, a divided by b is equals to b divided by a. But the thing is, in the rational numbers, these two satisfies, but these two does not satisfies. Okay. Okay, no? We shall check. The a minus b is equals to b minus a is not true in rational numbers, and a divided by b and b divided by a is also not true. See how it possible. Suppose take 2 by 3 plus 4. It is nothing but a plus b is equals, right? A plus b is equals to 2 by 3 plus 4, which is nothing but 2 by 3 plus 4 by 1. 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3 by 3 into 1. 2 plus 12 by 3. 14 by 3. 3 ones are, sorry, not possible, right? Okay, 14 by 3 is the LHS part answer, this one. Suppose coming to this part, b plus a, we see what happens. It is b plus a, no? 4 plus 2 by 3. Then what becomes? 4 by 1 plus 2 by 3. 4 into 3 plus 2 into 1 by 1 into 3. So 12 plus 2 by 3, which is nothing but 14 by 3. Okay. Is it right? In both the cases, we got same answer, right? Isn't it, Nana? Yes? Is it right? Did you get that? In both the cases, we got same answer. Okay? Yeah. Right. So if you take like that, for every rational number, for every rational number, it is true. It means rational numbers satisfies commutative property. Under addition. Okay, under addition it satisfies, right? So tomorrow homework, write down class, write down Anna, please. Fast. What is the homework? Yeah, you have to try for these three things. A minus b, b minus a into b into is equals to b into a divided by b is equals to b divided by a. For these three things, you have to verify. Yeah. You just try, Nana. No problem. You just try. Okay. But I'm telling you already in minus and division, they won't satisfy. Okay. Right, what is the question? Verify the closure property in addition, sorry, in subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, right? Yes, now your wish, take any examples, and while writing the homework you must mention date, day and time, number of homework. What is the homework number you have to write? Suppose a monitor teacher, please call to Rahul's mother, Rahul's MRMS Rahul, and tell him to take TC. Tell him to and call his parent and tell him to take TC for this Rahul. He simply slept and is attending the class, and otherwise make a call to his parent. I will talk to him. Yes, Nana. Shrishma.
సార్ ఇవన్నీ నోట్బుక్ లో రాయాలి స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ తీసుకున్నది
Yes,
హోంవర్క్ అవన్నీ
no, you have to write in your notes.
ఓకే సార్
Okay, right now. Okay, Nana, we can stop here. Time is up already. Bye, Nana. Bye, all of you. And Rahul, you take TC, Nana. Okay, no need to come to these classes. Okay.